might be wondering why I've called this emergency meeting of the No Brand Heroes. Over the recent last few months, there have been a high number of near-Earth space events. All of these events have had a hidden signal embedded within them. Green Boy?
The message so far as I've translated is, the Egyptian space mummies are coming.
Oh no!
But that's about all that we have so far.
Oh no, indeed, Duct Tape Boy. Now, due to your prior history with the space mummies, we believe you are the best candidate to go and find out what's going on. You need to take Spaceship 3 and fly it to the Space Mummy Mothership.
Really?
Really.